Alright, we were having trouble starting the Ford, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to throw a video together, see what I can figure out about it. So, what we did earlier this summer when we were first having troubles starting it, of course, is replace the battery, because this thing drains batteries if you leave the negative or the ground terminal plugged in, which is why there's a quick disconnect there. Replacing the battery didn't help. I cleaned the contacts through the battery and the system. That didn't help, so we replaced the starter down there too. So replacing the starter didn't help either. So now I'm going to try replacing the solenoid. I don't really think that'll do it, but it did say on the packaging for the new starter that they recommend you replace the solenoid when you replace the starter. So I'm going to do it, and we will see if that works. So what I'm going to do is just take all the connections off this solenoid on both sides, and I'm simply just going to unbolt it and bolt on the new one, bolt up all the connections again, and we'll see what it does. And if you're wondering, that solenoid right there is our electric control. It's the control solenoid for the hydraulic pump for the plow blade on this pickup, so that has nothing to do with it. So let's see if that fixes it. Alrighty, the old one is off, and now we can put the new one on. New solenoid is in, everything's plugged in, and I'm going to try to start it. Nope. Okay, so I took the solenoid off there, and I cleaned the ground up a little bit between it and the frame. Let's see if that helps it start. Nope. Okay guys, so the next thing I found was inside this quick disconnect cable right there, 2 bolts holding that on. It was extremely rusty. The cable was rusty, the clamp was rusty, so I cleaned that off. Let's see what that did. And it actually, some time has passed, as you can tell. It's not the same day anymore. But this is when I got back to the project. Hey, it worked. Now the question is if I can get it to start. Well, there we have it. There we have it. Never underestimate the power of corrosion and rust to stop your vehicle from starting up. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in next time for more videos.